Christian, it's Alpha.
Oh my God. Hey, Aaron, what's going on?
Man, have you missed me? I've missed you.
It's been way too long.
Well, listen, I've been thinking. I'm ready to get back at it. Alpha M Project. What do you think?
Season 6?
Season 6, baby. Are you ready?
I say let's do it.
But here's the thing. I'm feeling a little bit rusty. And so, why don't we do what the fans have been asking for years, which is give you a makeover, all right? So what I'm thinking is episode 1, we basically take you, get a haircut, because literally I've seen some pictures, you look homeless. We'll also take you to get a suit, because I know that you actually don't own a suit. What do you think? Is that a good way to kick off the season?
I say let's give the people what they want.
Let's give the people what they want. Gentlemen, this is the Alpha M Project Season 6. Gentlemen, welcome to the Season 6 premiere of the Alpha M Project. So, I'm super excited about doing this again. It's been too long. It's been literally 2 years since we filmed anything and any makeover. And so I thought the best way to kick this season off was to actually give Christian a makeover, all right? Ever since we started posting videos and you've seen him, you've been like, yo, the camera guy, he definitely needs a makeover. And so seriously, I have literally never seen him without Justin Bieber hair. I've known him for like 10 years. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. But the fact is today, it's going down. We're gonna get his haircut. We're also gonna go shopping and get him a suit. You don't own a suit.
Nope, nothing.
You're excited?
Me too.
Ashley, you wanna say hi? You're excited?
I'm so excited. He needs one.
I'm so excited.
We would have been here sooner, except our Uber driver was running
I'll
late.
take it.
Hello. Gentlemen, this episode is going to be a lot of fun. If you're digging it, drop us one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, this is awesome. Can't wait to have the Alpha M Project back. You excited?
Let's do it. It's been way too long.
It's been like 10 years too.
All right, it's time.
Gentlemen, we're at Salon Posta, the premier hair salon in the country, all right? As you guys have seen through the incredibly dramatic before and after video, this place is a showstopper. If you're ever in the Marietta area, or you're gonna be in the Atlanta area, guys, you gotta make sure you go to salonposta.com, give us a call, and book an appointment. It's an incredible experience. The staff here, ridiculous, incredibly talented, not to mention super sassy.
What's up, man?
Here it is.
on?
The victim. Have a seat. What's up, brother? All right. He literally has had the same haircut for like 10 years. He still is rocking the Justin Bieber. And so what I'm thinking is, but just something a bit shorter, definitely shorter on the sides and the back, and maybe like just swooped over a little bit. We just need to give him a little bit more of a grown-up haircut.
Okay. Cut it with a razor, just give it a lot of texture, a lot of movement.
Texture and movement. Let's do it.
This is the best salon experience of my life. Wow. You must come to Salon Posta right now.
Shut up. So while he's getting a haircut, why don't we tell them a little bit of the story of how we met? So this is kind of funny.
All right, so around 2012, 2013, I started my filmmaking career, and Aaron was pretty new into his YouTube career. He had about 20,000 subscribers at the time, and I had noticed that all of his videos were being filmed in his bedroom. And I was like, me being a filmmaker.
That's how everybody filmed YouTube videos in the beginning.
Yeah, so I was like, maybe I can offer him something. So I emailed him. I said, Aaron, I like your videos, they're great, but you film in a bedroom, and I feel like I could improve your quality. How about we hang out and film a video together? And Aaron's first response was, hey, thanks for emailing me, but how about you email me again in 6 months? I set a reminder on my phone. Remind me, email Aaron in 6 months. And the reminder kicked in. I emailed Aaron, and he realized he couldn't get rid of me.
So 6 months later, he emails me. I'm like, all right, I can't say no again, right? And so I needed a video film for my I Am Alpha M website. I needed an intro video. And so Christian decided to drive down from Chattanooga. We filmed it, and the rest is kind of history. The next really big video we did was the Big Boy Billy video, which was kind of like the start of the Alpha M Project. And so
It got 1 million hits.
it got 1 million views, and we were off to the races. And that's kind of the inspiration and how we came to know each other and film the Alpha M Project. So it's suiting and fitting that we're doing this today. I think we're good.
I take it back. Don't come to this salon.
All right, gentlemen, now it's time to style Christian's hair. We're gonna be using a little sea salt spray, also the putty. Few squirts of the sea salt spray. Guys, if you haven't checked out the Pete and Pedro sea salt spray, I'm gonna link to it down below. This product is a game changer. If you have never tried a sea salt spray, it's gonna add life and texture to your hair like you've never believed possible, all right? If you're somebody that's like, yo, I wish my hair would have a little bit more volume, guys, this is the perfect option. I'm gonna link to the sea salt spray down below, along with the Pete and Pedro putty, guys, is the best, most versatile hair product on the market, all right? I'm gonna link to this down below, along with a special Alpha M Project Season 6 discount, all right? Pete and Pedro is the official sponsor to Season 6 of the Alpha M Project. And if you're not sure what product is gonna be best for you or your hair, guys, no problem. Pete and Pedro has it handled. We've got a custom hair product recommendation tool. All you gotta do is tell us the hairstyle, how much shine and how much hold, and we will generate a custom recommendation for you. But you gotta grab the sea salt spray because it is the perfect addition to every and any hairstyle. So personally, I think it looks amazing. An elevated aesthetic. You got rid of that whole Justin Bieber thing, which you've been rocking for 10 years. Biebs even cut his hair. We're also gonna get Christian some tattoos to toughen him up. Kidding.
Let's do it.
All right, so here's get changed. Let's talk about the plan.
Let's go.
All right, Christian. So now it's Operation Get You a Suit. What is the suit look that you like?
So I'm not much of a fan of a suit and tie. I like something more casual, so we're gonna go for a polo suit combination.
All right, excellent. So here's the plan. We're gonna go to Suit Supply, find a suit, right? Suit Supply still best bang for your suit buck. Also for him, because of his build, they do have smaller sizes. We're also gonna look for a great polo that he can wear underneath it. The polo definitely needs to be a little bit higher end. And then we're definitely gonna finish the outfit off with a great pair of shoes. All right, so here's the plan. We need to get him a suit. He wants something in gray, something that he can dress up, also down, possibly with some leather sneaks or something like that. So there's a gray suit over there. I think it might be a sienna.
Sienna is like a soft shoulder?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice. It's like a more subtle version of what you got.
Exactly, a little bit darker than mine, but yeah, more subtle. And this you could wear literally all year. You could go, winter, you could wear it. I mean, spring, summer. It's a great lightweight fabric.
Wow.
It's super nice. I mean,
yeah, let's try it.
I would rather you try something like this as opposed to something that dark.
That's pretty dark.
Yeah.
Let's try this first.
Okay, cool.
Trousers might be a tad big. What do you think, Aaron?
Let me see your waist. But this, you've got the
tabs.
side adjuster tabs.
Oh, wow. They're pretty easy to pull.
I think you're looking studly.
First time I've ever been called studly.
You look studly.
Wow. Dang, that's a nice, it feels premium.
Oh, it is super nice.
Wow. Perfect. Get those shoes on.
You got a big booty. You got big booty or wide hips? That's too big?
It feels, everything is a little
big.
Everything feels a little bit like it's kind of just flopping on.
All right, so this is kind of what I was afraid of. Not that you have a weird body, you just have some things that a standard off-the-rack suit, even at Suit Supply, we need to adjust, all right? So because he is a little bit smaller up top, he's a 34 in terms of the size, but because he's thinner, he needs a slimmer suit. And so even with some alterations, it's just not gonna be as good as it could be or should. What we're gonna do, unfortunately, we're not gonna have the after finished product for this video, but maybe in a future episode, we will actually, maybe the finale or something, we'll do something.
It'll be in by the finale.
Exactly, it's gonna take a few weeks, but what they're about to do is basically custom measure a suit, and that's one of the really cool things that Suit Supply does now. And so we're gonna get you a custom suit. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but we're still going to get you a polo today. Also, we're gonna go shoe shopping. Cool?
Sounds perfect.
Let's do it. All right, so now because we're going custom, we get to pick and choose literally every detail, including the fabric, the buttons, literally everything. It's a fun process. It's definitely pampering. And for your first suit, I'm actually kind of pumped and excited that you get to do this because it's a better experience, honestly. And you definitely don't have an off-the-rack body. Most people don't, but you definitely don't. All right, so we're talking about shoes, and because Christian's gonna be wearing it with a polo, I thought it'd be great to actually use like a lightweight, like minimal leather sneaker. I think it's a great way to sort of dress down the suit, but still give him a really playful, sexy look. These things are amazing. What do you think?
I like it.
And,
I wouldn't think you could wear a casual sneaker with a suit, so we're gonna try to piece the whole thing together.
Check it out, gentlemen. This is essentially what the finished product is gonna look like, except the suit he's getting was built for him, and so it's gonna look 1,000% better. But just to give you an idea, we're going with the gray suit. It looks incredible, super high quality. The fabric, buttery soft and silky smooth. The polo also super high quality. It's a merino wool polo, which is the perfect option for wearing with the suit or just dressing up. And then, as you can see, the pants, they're a little bit big, a little baggy right now, but they'll fit him perfectly when we actually get the finished suit. And then we're going with a simple pair of brown minimal sneakers. It really is a great way to utilize this suit in a more casual manner, but it just looks amazing. Christian, what do you think of this whole process and this whole look?
This is the best suit I've ever owned, and I think we actually hit the goal of going like professional and casual with this polo and with the sneakers. And the fit on the end product's gonna be perfect, so I'm excited.
What do you think of the hair?
The hair is the best haircut I've had in 10 years. It's one of the only haircuts I've had in 10 years.
It looks incredible. Well, here's the deal. We're gonna run, we're gonna pay for everything, but then there's something else I wanna give you back at the studio. Cool?
Ooh, let's go check it out.
Let's do it. All right, Christian, to finish off a look, you need a pair of badass sunglasses. And of course, we're gonna be rocking the Enemies. I picked these out specifically for you, the Enemy ones in a tortoise, because the gradient lens looks very like movie star, and I just think the tortoise is gonna look incredible with your complexion. What do you think? They're incredible.
Wow.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new badass pair of sunglasses, you gotta hit that link down below. I'm also gonna have a discount code for you guys, all right? Enemy, my premium sunglass company, guys, we have crushed it. We got 4 incredible styles, Enemy 1s, Enemy 2s, Enemy 3s, and the new and larger Enemy 4s. Not only are sunglasses incredible in terms of a great accessory, they just finish an outfit and make you look like a sex machine. Gentlemen, hit the link down below, go check out Enemy and read the reviews. It's not just my opinion that these glasses are the highest quality you're gonna find for under $100. It's everybody's opinion. Guys, these sunglasses are incredible. You're gonna look amazing. And with that discount code, guys, for a limited time, you're gonna get an even better deal. Guys, hit the link, enemy.com, grab some super sexy badass shades. And that's it, gentlemen. Episode 1, Season 6 of the Alpha M Project in the books. And honestly, this one was long overdue. I've wanted to cut Christian's hair for literally 10 years. I think he looks amazing. In an episode coming up, we're going to check out the finished result. But the bottom line is this season is going to be next level. Got some incredible guys coming on. You are going to love it as much as I love you. Guys, if you dug this, make sure to drop us one of these and be like, yo, Alpha, we're so glad the Alpha M Project is back. My only question now is, who's next?
So I just finished editing the episode here, and I thought now'd be a good time to thank Aaron, but it really wasn't enough for me to just thank Aaron for like new clothes, a new suit, a new haircut. It runs a little deeper than that. Most people have only gotten to know Aaron through watching YouTube. For the past 10 years, I've been lucky enough to work with Aaron. He has been kind enough to bring me along his journey of success as he started all these businesses, created all these videos, and have helped many guys around the world. I think it really speaks to Aaron's character for bringing me along for the journey and always challenging me. And I just can't thank Aaron enough for what he's done for my career and just as a mentor and as someone who has, shown me how to conduct yourself as a good person and how to be professional and how to achieve your goals if you just set your mind to it. Here's the first picture of Aaron and I when we first met. It was really cool and it was really fun. And it's just great to look back on it and see that this many years later, we're still good friends and we're still going strong. And I really can't wait for you guys to see the next episode. It's gonna be great. So stick around, and thanks again, guys. You're all awesome.